everyone. I'm Emma, and today I'm already smiling because we're talking about something we all need. Funny moments, little things that make life softer, lighter, happier. But first, welcome to our cozy little English corner.
And I'm Jack, and honestly, Emma is right. She walked into the studio laughing at her own memory already, so I know today is going to be fun.
If you want real English, simple English, warm English, you are in the right place. And I hope today's conversation feels like a cup of tea on a rainy day. A small hint, today you will learn how to talk about funny things in natural English. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more daily conversations with us.
So I know today is going to be fun.
Well, try living with my brain. It remembers every embarrassing moment at 3 a.m. But okay, let's talk about funny things in English. Because when you share a funny moment, people feel close to you. It makes language friendly.
Exactly. So, Emma, what's your first funny moment?
Okay, so last week, I was rushing to buy groceries. And when I came home, I realized, Jack, I bought everything except the thing I actually needed.
Let me guess. You needed milk.
Yes, I needed milk. I literally walked into the store saying, "Don't forget the milk, Emma." Then I came out with chips, chocolate, a candle, a plant, and no milk.
Classic Emma. You know what's funny? You do this every month.
I know. And when I tell people, I say, "I had a funny moment today. I forgot the most important thing." That's a natural way to express it.
Yeah. Or you can say, it was hilarious. I forgot the milk again. Hilarious means very funny.
Your turn, Jack. Tell them the story from last Friday. You know which one.
Oh no. Do I have to?
Yes. It's for English learning. Make the sacrifice.
Fine. So, last Friday, I joined an online meeting, but I didn't know my camera was on. And I was eating a sandwich like a dinosaur. No manners, no style, just chaos.
And the best part? Someone in the meeting said, "Jack, nice sandwich." He didn't even realize he was on camera.
I froze. I became a statue. And then I said the most useless sentence in the world. Oh. Just, oh.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't laugh. But I will. Every time. You know, funny moments are not only jokes. Sometimes funny moments happen when we are nervous, like interviews, presentations.
Yes, like when I tried to say good morning, everyone, but it came out like hello, hi, yeah.
English can do that to you. When you're nervous, your tongue becomes a confused noodle.
Exactly. But these moments are cute. They make us human. You can say things like, I had an awkward moment today. Something funny happened to me. That moment made everyone laugh.
Okay, here is another funny story. One time I waved at someone, and the person did not wave back.
Oh, yes. That wave to the wrong person moment.
I waved so confidently, big smile, full energy, and then I realized they were waving to the person behind me.
And what did you do?
I pretended I was stretching, like, oh, I wasn't waving, just exercising my shoulder.
That is such an Emma thing to do.
Listeners, here are some natural phrases you can use. I had a funny moment today. It was embarrassing, but funny. I couldn't stop laughing. It made me laugh so hard. I still laugh when I remember it.
Simple, natural, friendly English.
Jack, Tell them the bus story, please.
You enjoy my pain too much, but okay. So one day I got on the wrong bus. Completely wrong direction, and when I realized, I pressed the stop button. But the bus didn't stop because it was not my stop yet.
So what did you do?
I stood there, holding my bag, trying to look confident, like I totally meant to stay on the bus. I said to myself, just act normal, Jack.
Well, your acting normal face is very funny, actually.
Thank you, I guess.
You know, funny moments also help friendships grow. Like us, we've known each other for years, and half our memories are just us laughing.
True. And learning English becomes easier when you connect it with real-life moments like these. Funny, cute, silly, unexpected.
So if you're learning English, don't be shy to talk about your little funny moments. Even small stories can help you sound more natural.
And they make your English feel alive.
Oh, one more. Last month, I was recording an English lesson at home, talking very seriously, explaining grammar, and suddenly, my cat jumped on the table and looked straight into the camera like she was the teacher.
The cat looked more confident than you.
Yes, and the funny part, I said, "Excuse me?" to my cat, like she was a student interrupting the class.
Honestly, you should keep that clip.
Never. It lives in my private embarrassment archive.
So everyone, we hope you enjoyed laughing with us.
And we hope today's conversation helps you talk about your own funny moments in English.
Because funny stories make people feel close to you.
Thank you for being here. And remember, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. See you in the next Cozy English Conversation.